Hello everyone. I would just like to briefly go over how to use the sort and filter tool and when you would need to use it in Excel. This is also a tool that is found in Google Sheets and you are welcome to use it there. It has basically the same functions. True to its name, you can basically sort and filter data however you see fit. So for example, you can sort it numerically, you could sort it alphabetically. You could also filter it using words. So you can filter it using, for example, the different schools that the students are attending using this data. Or you can filter it by the grades that the students are in. So this is just a brief set of data that I wanted to work with today. And first you need to make sure in order for sort and filter to work that row 1 has some sort of a title in it. This way you can sort all of your information by student name, by student grade, or by school attending. So what I would do is I would highlight that row just by clicking on the 1, and I would come over here to sort and filter on the right hand side, and I would click on filter. So what that does is it gives me this little arrow that will have a drop down menu, and like I said before, I can sort this by smallest to largest because this is numerical. I can also sort it largest to smallest. I could also sort by color. We're not going to worry about that today. And I could also just choose to omit some of the different grades and only pick, say, one grade to work with. So for example, if I just wanted to know how many students are in grade 3, I would deselect everything, and then I would click on grade 3, and I would click OK. This shows me that I only have 2 students on this set of data that are in grade 3, Joe and Susie. So that's one way, and then I can just clear this filter right here and it will bring me back to the sort and filter tool with all the information. Another way I can do this, I can sort by my student's name, I can sort alphabetically. So say I just want to go down the list. And you'll notice that wherever Abby goes, her grade and the school she attends also goes. So whether or not she's down here in one of these columns or if she's up here, her information will always stay with her. So I could sort that alphabetically, sort A to Z. So it goes from the S down to the A, but again, Abby's information stayed with her. I could also sort this, say I just want to know all of the students that are attending Northridge. I can sort it by that, so now I know what these 4 students are, and I can also tell what their grade is. I can sort it smallest to largest. This is really a helpful tool when you have a large set of data. This is something that you're going to be working with for your homework. You're going to be using the sort and filter tool to work with large sets of data, over 1,000 pieces of information, and this is just a really great tool to help you kind of make sense of the raw data. I can also answer questions using the sort and filter tool. So say you want to know how many students are in grade 1. The best way for me to find that is to click on 1, and then I can see that I have 4 students who are in grade 1. If I just want to know where Mary goes to school, and say I had a lot more data so I couldn't find Mary's name right away, I can actually search for her just by name. I could click on Mary, and now I just have her information showing. So that is how you use the sort and filter tool on Excel. Again, as I was saying, in Google Sheets, it's the same. It's in the same area and it has all of the same features. This is a tool that I'm going to ask you to be using for your homework, so please make sure you are familiar with it. Thank you.